Let's learn how to avoid common mistakes on TikTok Live. Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, we're talking about how to avoid common mistakes on TikTok Live. The first is to add a catchy title to your live stream. This title enhances or also allows other audience that sees your live stream to get attracted to it. With your catchy title, you'll be able to get the attention of other people to your live stream, and also it can also promote the number of people that gives you gifts on your live stream. Add Second is to add or edit live intro. The live intro is very important because that is what people see first before any other activity you have on your live stream. The third is share your content with others. Share your content on social medias, share your content with friends so that when they see it, they will also give it to people or send it to people that needs that kind of content. The fourth is cross promote to other social media platforms like your WhatsApp, like your Facebook and Instagram, Snapchat. Just cross promote to other social media platforms, and through that way, you're going to increase in your views and also your like, and you also get gifts from the live stream. That way, you also be included in among the content creators that who aim from TikTok live. So guys, if this video was helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.